Creating a block with the AEC-escarment command. Right-click, Modify Tools, Trim. Select an object to trim, Enter. Setting the direction of the cutting line, the side to be deleted is highlighted in red. An important difference from standard pruning is that closed polygons remain closed. And you can also trim the block. Express with the Fast Select command, you can select all objects in contact with the selected line. Copy the selected line, for example. Modify Tools, Extend. Choosing objects to extend, Enter. The extension restricted line is highlighted in red. Click approximately to the place of extend limitation. The brown lines lengthen to the continuation of the white line. Modify Tools, Divide. Choosing objects to divide. We define the separation line with 2 points, or click Enter and select the existing edge. The divided objects remain closed. You can also divide the block. Using the Select Similar command to select text. For convenience, we hide the text. Using the Sketch command to create a contour manually. The Fast Select command can select only adjacent lines from the selected one. F2 opens the command line. FC mode on, so we change the mode of operation of the Fast Select command. Now the team allocates according to the principle of chain reaction. Join selected objects. Join lines and correct join errors. Closing the polyline. Modify Tools, Subtract 1. Selecting objects to subtract in the contour. Press Shift to remove the contour itself from the selection, Enter. And now we choose the contour itself. All objects inside the contour are deleted. Objects outside the contour remain closed. Another use of Subtract command. With a special command, we get the hatching area. Modify Tools, Subtract 2. Choosing the brown hatching, Enter. Choosing the blue hatching, Enter. A cutout appeared in the brown hatching. For example, we copy the blue hatching. Modify Tools, Merge 1. Choosing the brown hatching, Enter. Choosing the blue hatching, Enter. This team merged the hatches. For example, we copy polygons of buildings. We arrange the polygons in a row. Modify Tools, Merge 2. Select the first object to which the contours will be added, Enter. Adding objects to merge. It turned out to be one large polygon along the contour of a group of objects. Modify Tools, Obscure. Choosing objects for separation. Press Shift to remove the contour itself from the selection, Enter. And now we choose the contour itself. All selected objects are obscure without being deleted. All objects inside the contour have changed color and explode. All the objects are not closed. For example, we copy polygons of buildings. And text hiding. Modify tools crop. Choosing objects to crop. The hatching can also be cropped. Enter. Choose the objects that will be cropped. For this command, you can also crop the text. Enter. Now every text has an enclose. The general contour of contact appeared. The hatching is cut off by a contour. For example, we copy the hatching and text. Modify tools, merge to. Select the first object to which the contours will be added. Enter. Select the text to add the polygon. Enter. Polygon and hatching increased by the size of the text. To be continued.